Hey guys, it's Brooke with WTI. As a mom, I'm on the go a lot, just every day, and we also travel quite a bit. So I was looking for a travel charger that would accommodate all of our needs. This Scosche travel charger is perfect. I love that it has the flip up plug and also the adapter for the car, so it goes anywhere you want to take it very easily because it's so compact. You can even throw it in your pocket. I also love that it has the C port, which is perfect because my watch and my phone both have that port, so I don't need an adapter with me all the time. Also, I love that when you plug it in, it's basically flat to the wall. So I charge mine a lot in my kitchen, and I love that the charger does not get in the way. Also, I always need to charge my phone in the car, so I love that it fits right in with the adapter port, and it is adjustable in case your adapter port is in an odd spot that you need to move this up and down. And it also fits on the side of my lamp in my room, which is awesome because it won't take up any extra plug space because this one does not have the third prong. I love how small and compact this travel charger is and that I can use it in the car and in the house. It is so perfect for traveling or if you're just on the go a lot and forget to charge your devices. I highly recommend it. It is definitely my go-to, and that's my point of view.